what's up guys? We're out here as promised, another goblin. This time I made it fairly light guys. I got the 2300 kV motor guys. We're in a 6x3 prop guys. Really small light guys. FPV gear, everything's the same guys. The only difference is, as you can see, I added my reflex guys. Let me know what you think. Is that a little bit too much or a little bit too little? I think it's pretty decent. It's about the foam thickness. Yeah guys, let me know what you think. It should be pretty good guys. I'm launching like a wing guys. Wow guys. Pretty fast guys. Gotta trim her out, guys. I'm giving myself some room for error right now, guys, just in case. Crazy guys. Really fast guys. Got the rates pretty low. I feel like I should go a little bit lower. See if I can get a low pass, guys. It's pretty fast and touchy right now. Sounds like a UFO for real, guys. This is very fast, guys. I'm running a 4S right now, 1500, like the other day, guys. It's very smooth, guys. Pretty dope, guys. Let me know what you guys think in the comment, guys. I also want to know what are the rates that you guys use for this. Like right now, there's pretty low. They're at 30 right now, low rates with 25% expo. And she still feels a little bit touchy, just a little tad bit touchy. All right, let's bring her in for a landing, guys. Let's put our FPVGEAR goggles on. Wow, guys, I'm gonna have to restart that because she's coming in hot, guys. There's no wind to kind of counteract that. There you go. Should be good right here. Pretty hot, guys. Nice. Yeah, guys. All right, let's try. I'm gonna try to down the rates down a little bit, and I'm actually going to put on my goggles. So we got our FPV goggles on. Another cool thing about this, I should do a review on this control, guys. This is a pretty good controller. I have my switch on right now, so have it toggled on. So gave it all the way throttle. See, nothing's working. But then once I flip it, then we're good, guys. That's always something you always want to keep there, guys, because it'll help you out a lot. Press record. don't even know where I landed. But I felt like that was smooth, guys. That was, I don't know, guys. I feel like, was it good? Was it good? You guys let me know, guys. Was it good? Let's go run over there. Wow, guys. Pretty nice, guys. I feel like that landing was all right. I feel like I should try to angle my camera a little better. But other than that, guys, she's pretty nice. Pretty nice, guys. Let me know what you guys think in the comment. I'll see you guys in the next video.